So where do clicks to your affiliate links come from? Really, it's not that big of a mystery. It's not truly a secret, even though some may think it is. There are two ways to get traffic. You either pay for traffic in the form of ads, where you pay an ads platform to get people to click and go over and check out your offer, or you create content. Kind of like the content I create here on this YouTube channel. Then, of course, I add links in the description to my own products as well as to affiliate links. But let's take a look at this a little deeper so we really understand what it is we're talking about when we're talking about paid traffic versus free traffic and getting clicks to your affiliate links. Check this out. This is Facebook Ads Manager. You simply go here, you open an account. I can almost guarantee, or I promise, that everyone out there that is watching this video or has ever heard of affiliate marketing has a Facebook account. You go here, you open up an ads account. Now, also, Meta or Facebook has this cool thing called an ads library. And in that ads library, you can simply just search either by a company name or a Facebook page name, or in this case, I searched for the word iPhone. If you were promoting an offer for iPhones of any type, selling iPhones, selling iPhone accessories, selling training about iPhones or how to use iPhones, you could check out the ads here, and then you could create your own ads to simply by doing things like what people are doing now, going to AI and learning how, or looking at AI as an assistant to help assist you in crafting compelling ads. But this is one way, or this is how you get clicks to your affiliate links. Again, it's not a big mystery. Next up is Google Ads. You simply go to Google and you run ads. They have display ads. Then they also have the YouTube portion of ads where you run display ads or you run video ads in front or in the middle of YouTube videos, kind of like the video you're watching now. Or there might have been an ad at the beginning of this video, or there might be an ad in this video right now. Who knows? But you get that, and everyone, again, has a Google account. Or I can almost guarantee you that if you're watching this video, you have a Google account. You simply start running Google Ads. What does that look like? If you go and you were to type in a search, what is the best screwdriver set? This is a search keyword. This is someone typing in what is the best screwdriver set because they're looking to make a purchase. Whether that purchase is from your affiliate link or from some other store like Amazon or Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you buy hardware or screwdrivers, you have an opportunity here. If you scroll through and you look at these results, you're going to see the search engine results or the SERP results, and you're going to see Forbes, and then you're going to see Pro Tool Reviews. That is a pro, or that ProToolsReview.com is most likely an affiliate site. Now, if you scroll down, you are going to see ads, Google ads for Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight. But check this out, ProToolReviews.com. You can look down there in the left-hand corner and you can see that this ad is actually a link to purchase this set or to check out their blog post or their page where they are listing what they think are the best tools or the best screwdrivers. Again, remember, this also ranked, or this site also has this blog post ranking, so they're getting both free traffic, or understand here, they're getting both free traffic and they're also paying to get that traffic, so they're getting, or they're doubling down on their effort to get clicks to their affiliate links. Next up, this may or may not be one you've heard of. Some affiliates haven't heard of this, or they're a little leery about using native ads because it typically is a little more expensive to get started with these. But understand what a native ad is. A native ad is simply an ad on a website, and there's some examples here on news sites where the ad that you post basically looks like a news article on the news site. If you were to go to MSN.com, of course, you see the display ads here. This could be like a Google ad or a display ad from Google Ads Network. But if you scroll down and you really start looking at this, you're going to see other things. For example, buy with Microsoft. This is Microsoft buying space here on MSN. But then there are ads down here. It says here, ad from our partners. But look how these look just like the news articles. So the point here, or why they're called native ads, is because they look native to the platform. They look like news articles. So these are going to be ways you could get clicks to your affiliate links running this paid traffic. Now, when it comes to free traffic, Like I said in the beginning of this video, there are links in the descriptions of this YouTube video. Some of those are my own products, some of those are affiliate links, and then of course, if you look at my analytics, those clicks come from getting views. So I make videos that are interesting to a certain group of people with a certain problem, and then they watch my videos, and those views turn into clicks when they click the link in the description when I call it out, or if they're just curious on the tools or the offerings that I have in my description and or the pinned first comment. Now, as you know, if you've been watching the channel lately or for a while, I've ran a 100-day case study, and now I'm actually expanding that case study, and here are the clicks that you see here from content that I created on a blog, but using AI to create that content, and again, turning these clicks into clicks to my affiliate link inside of my blog content, where I'm creating helpful content. So like that search where you saw where people were searching for the best screwdriver sets, well, you can do that where people are looking for the best, or you can create just helpful content for people that are looking to educate themselves, or they have a curiosity, or they're just interested in a topic, and you deep dive into that topic, and you pick a specific topic that AI can help you generate content in, and you can rank that content, or Google will rank that content, because Google, just like everyone else, is looking to serve their customer, and their customer are the people, or are the people that are searching for information. And that's your job as an affiliate marketer, is to create information about the best products, information about the best ways to do a thing, just information in the general sense of the word. How do things work? Answer people's questions as they are looking for answers. Of course, you can do that with paid traffic by running paid traffic or creating ads and then paying a platform to display those ads that help or put your solution in front of people when they're on the internet just generally looking for information. Or you can go the route of creating YouTube videos, which I talk about here in my affiliating course, but also inside my affiliating course, I've now expanded it, and I've actually created a course. There's a link in the description, and you can check out that course where I break down exactly step for step the way that I'm taking my 100-day case study that turned into a great experiment and also turned into clicks and affiliate commissions. And I am expanding that case study and moving everything over to WordPress and making everything super simple for anyone that wants to set up and get started with AI and WordPress to create a blog in this day and age. I put it all together and made it super simple. There's a link in the description. It's going to answer the question, or it's going to continue to answer the question and really open your eyes to what we were talking about in this video. Where do clicks to your affiliate links come from? It comes from creating helpful content and getting it out on the internet so people can find it. Check that training out, link in the description. I'll walk you through exactly how to build a blog using AI step by step. Check it out. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.